You got the best looking website in the world, but it isn't performing? It's because less is more. Here are things to remove from your website if you want to rank better on Google. Having been at this for 17 years, I've seen the most visually amazing websites with the most stunning graphics, and it's overkill. It's not that it doesn't look beautiful, it's distracting. That's why less is more. There's countless studies that show the more you remove, more importantly, the more simplistic your website is to navigate, the higher your conversions are. Great example, keep your menu short and abbreviated. Sometimes we want to just show everything to everybody, and so we end up having these navigations that are a mile long, or we have mega menus where it's a menu that expands into a menu and maybe even into another menu. That's what creates analysis paralysis. The other thing that you want to remove that I see all the time, especially on new client sites, is header carousel images. Like what you're watching so far, do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. There's a great study. If you go Google Yoast, sliders suck, you'll find an article that goes into detail, removes the emotions, and it's very data-driven on why sliders and header carousels do more harm than good. The short answer is they overwhelm people. They're distracting. They're generally not mobile friendly, and nobody cares. You, watching this video right now, when's the last time you've gone to a website and there was a rotating carousel of images and you sat and you wondered, I'm really curious what the next slide is? Never. Nobody does that. So why do you want to offer it on your website either? So the more you remove, it improves your call to action. It improves the likelihood for conversions. And also, the more you remove, the faster your website loads. The faster your website loads, the more Google's going to move your website to the top of search engines. We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.